Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to turn your ClawBox into a private document assistant. You know that feeling when you need to find one clause buried in a 60-page contract? Normally that's a long afternoon of scrolling. With ClawBox, it's about 4 seconds. Here's how it works. You get a folder that syncs straight to your ClawBox. Drop in your contracts, invoices, manuals, anything. It all gets indexed locally on the box. Not in the cloud, on your hardware. Then open your bot on Telegram or directly from your ClawBox and just ask, "What's the early termination penalty in my lease?" 4 seconds later, you have answer. "How much did I pay ASME in 2025? It sums every invoice in the folder. You can even ask it to quote a paragraph verbatim with the source. And the best part? None of these files ever touch the internet. No ChatGPT, no subscriptions, no leaks. For more tutorials, like and subscribe.